Stacking your washer and dryer is one of the best ways to save space, but it can be nerve-wracking if you're worried about them wobbling or falling over. I wanted to see which solutions actually work, so I bought and tested the top stacking kits and accessories on the market. From universal fits to space-saving washers, here is what I found to help you organize your laundry room without the headache. Product number 1, Kiss Core Upgrade Washer Dryer Stacking Kit. First, I took a look at the Kiss Core Upgrade Stacking Kit. When I pulled this out of the box, the high-quality plastic and steel felt surprisingly rigid, which is exactly what you want when you're balancing a heavy dryer on top of a washer. What I loved during the setup was how adjustable it is. I tested it on both a Samsung and an LG unit, and it fit the 29-inch and 27-inch bases perfectly. The real standout feature here is the ratchet strap system. Instead of drilling holes, you just tighten the strap and it locks the two machines together solidly. There was absolutely no wiggle when I ran a spin cycle. If you have mismatched brands or just want a secure, tool-free installation, this is a fantastic, reliable option to start with. Product number 2, Garaloo Washer and Dryer. Top protector mat. Now, keeping your machines looking good is just as important as stacking them. I grabbed this Garaloo silicone mat to see if it could handle the daily abuse of a laundry room. The texture is thick and rubbery, providing a serious non-slip surface. When I tossed it on top of my machine, it didn't slide an inch. It has a raised edge, about half an inch high, which is a smart design choice because it catches detergent spills or water before they run down the sides. I also found out it's heat resistant, so I felt comfortable leaving it on top of a hot dryer. Cleaning it was easy too. I just wiped it down with soap and water. If you want to protect your investment from scratches and dents, this mat is a simple but essential addition. Product number 3, GE Stacking Kit. If you are running GE appliances specifically, you should skip the universal stuff and grab this dedicated GE stacking kit. Handling the brackets, they felt heavy-duty and specific, no flimsy generic parts here. Since this is made for GE 28-inch models like the GFW 550, I didn't have to mess around with sizing adjustments. It lined up perfectly with the pre-existing mounting points on the back of the washer. The installation took me about 5 minutes because the instructions were actually clear, and it includes all the necessary spacers and screws. It feels incredibly secure once it's bolted on. If you own compatible GE units, this is the safest bet because it bolts them together seamlessly, giving you that factory-installed stability you can't really get with a strap. Product number 4, Kiss Core Universal Stacking Kit with Pull-Out Rack. Then I went back to Kiss Core to test their version with the pull-out drying rack. This kit is heavier than the first one, mainly because of the built-in shelf mechanism. Once I had it installed, which again uses that easy ratchet strap system, I pulled out the shelf and was genuinely impressed by the utility. It's sturdy enough to hold a full laundry basket or act as a folding table right out of the dryer, which saves your back from bending over constantly. It fits that same 24 to 29-inch range, so it works with most major brands like Whirlpool or Bosch. It basically adds a workspace where you didn't have one before. If you're tight on space and need a spot to fold clothes immediately, that extra shelf makes a massive difference in your daily routine. Product number 5, COMFE Portable Washing Machine. Finally, if you don't even have the space for a full stackable setup, I tested the COMFE Portable Washing Machine. It's tiny, only about 20 inches wide, and since it has wheels, I could roll it right into a corner when I was done. Despite the compact size, the stainless steel tub holds 11 pounds of clothes, which is decent for a single person or a couple. I ran it on the quick cycle, and it cleaned a small load just as well as a full-sized unit. The child lock and delay start are nice touches for such a small machine, and it barely uses any energy. If you live in an RV or a small apartment where stacking big machines isn't an option, this portable unit is the perfect workaround to get laundry done at home. So whether you need to securely stack your current machines or you need a compact washer for a tiny apartment, one of these options should solve your problem. I've dropped links to all of these in the description below so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.